not be blind.
Going back, I couldn't show you. I tried to
Good job. Sophie, get it? Oh, why does it do that?
What did it do it?
Hey, you did! Oh, careful. Oh.
Come on.
Don't you fall.
It better go in.
Sophie, we got you another ball. It goes up. Oh, wait.
You have to unlock so you don't climb in there.
Woo! Oh, you scored again. 3 for 3. Yeah, she's a good ball player. Oh, you missed that one. Hold on. Good job.